Hi guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to make another slushy bubble tea. The mango one we showed you the other day was really popular, especially with summer coming up. So we thought we'd show you another really exciting flavour combination to make. So today we're going to be making a strawberry and grape slushy. So for this recipe we're going to use 50 grams of each fresh fruit. So that's 50 grams of frozen strawberries and 50 grams of grapes. So I've already prepared 50 grams of frozen strawberries here, which I'm going to add into the blender. And now I'm just going to measure out 50 grams of grapes and add that into the blender. Okay, that's that done. The next ingredient we're going to add is ice cubes, because how would we make a slushie without ice? We're going to need 200 grams of ice. There's 100. There's another 100. In goes the ice. Okay, and now it's time to add in our green tea. So to measure the green tea, I've just got a standard small unit measuring jug here, and I'm going to go over to our green tea urn and fill it up to 150 millilitres. There we are, 150 millilitres of green tea. In it goes. Okay, the next ingredient is going to be 1 to 2 scoops of fructose, depending on what kind of sweetness you prefer or your customer prefers. I don't really like too sweet, so I'm going to go for 1. Perfect. And I'm now going to add 1 scoop or around 30 grams of our strawberry jam. In goes a scoop of the strawberry jam. And now it's time to blend. So I'm just going to put the lid back on. That looks better. So in terms of toppings for this, you can really do whatever you want. We're actually going to use our new aloe vera today. It's going to go really well with the flavours we put in this slushie. So I'm just going to add that into the cup now. In it goes. And then simply pour over the slushie. And that looks absolutely amazing. Now, depending on if you're sealing your cup or not, you can actually garnish it with some more fresh fruit, as I'm doing now. And there you go.